Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, we are going to solve this question, that is Armstrong number, and you can find this one in the practice section of Geeks for Geeks page. So, if you just look at the here, just see the accuracy rate. More than 51% are doing this wrong. So this is actually very simple but tricky ones, and this question came in company exam like VMware and Oracle already asked this question, so we should not ignore this. So first we are going to see understand the question itself, then we will see how can we approach, what should be our approach, and then we will see the code in a very simple beginner friendly manner. So if you are new to the channel, just hit the like and subscribe button and do share this video as much as possible, guys. So without a further delay, let's start. So here first understand the question. The first thing first, what is Armstrong number? First we will understand what is Armstrong number. Then we are going to understand the question itself. See, the Armstrong number is nothing but, suppose let's take the example over here. Just look at here. Let me increase the font size. 153 is my number. So Armstrong number should be the cube of each digit of this number, like cube of 3, cube of 5, cube of 1. So the sum of the cube of each digit, if the output is the original number itself, then it is a Armstrong number, like 1 cube. What is the 1 cube? 1, right? Now we add, what is the 5 cube? 125, right? 5 into 5 into 5. What is the 3 cube? 27. 3 3 ja 9, 9 3 ja 27. So if you add this, if you add this, what output you will get? What result you will get? 153. So if you compare your result with the original number, it should be same. And if it is same, then it is a Armstrong number. So just like that. I hope you understand this much. So now let's understand the question. Wait, here the Armstrong number is given here. Suppose we have to given a 3-digit number, and we have to check whether the number is Armstrong or not, right? We have to check, and if it is Armstrong, then we have to return a string value. See here, the data type is string value, yes or no. If it is not, then no. And see, it is also already hard coded here that we already know that in Armstrong number we only take the cube, so no worries, it makes our work a little bit easier. So we will only take the cube. So now how we are going to do this? First we should know how to extract the last digit or extract the digit from the number. Suppose this is my number. Suppose this is my number 371. First, what I'm going to do is I'm going to extract this digit from this number. I'm going to extract 1, put it here, and do cube of 1. Then I'm going to extract this 7, put it here, and we will do the 7 cube. Then at last 3. And how can we do this? So if you want to if you want to extract the last digit, the best thing that you can do is you can use the modulo operator. So first we are iterating over here. Now we are doing the repeating work. Like first we are going to extract this last digit, then we come here and do cube, then we go there again, extract this digit, then come here, do cube. So this is a repetitive type of work, and for repetitive type of work, what do we use? Loop. So first see one or two thing. Notice here, just look at the screen here. At last, what I'm going to return? I'm going to return a number. And what is the process? I have to do a cube, and then I have to add it and then return. So when I add the number, I have to store it somewhere. So let some variable, make a variable int sum is equal to 0. Initialize it with 0. So that when you add, then you are going to store your output in this one. Now first, when we extract the last digit by using modulo operator, so I'm going to store my last digit also. Let's make another variable. Okay, k is equal to 0. Now this is my number, this is my n. Here this is my n. When I do the when I this is my original number, and when I do this, after this calculation, uh, when my output is ready, so I'm going to compare it now with my original value. So for comparison, I will have to store it inside a variable. So make another variable like final number, and store my n inside it. So these are the variable that we make here till now. Now the step 2 will be loop. So let's start loop. Here, see, here condition should be my n value is greater than 0. Now understand this line. Why n value should be greater than 0? When I extract the last number, when I divide it by 10, see, when we should what was our requirement? When we should extract the last number, then we use modulo operator. But when our number is get decreased and we reach till here, then we will use divide operator. So I will divide it by 0, 10, sorry, 10. So what will be my output? It will be 0.1. But the data type, look at the data type here. It is integer. So it will ignore the decimal part. So finally it should be 0. So when my n should be n is greater than 0, then only I iterate my loop. When n is equal to 0, just terminate the loop. So now let's extract the last digit. D is equal to, now I will use modulo operator, modulo 10. As simple as that. I hope you understand till here. So now what we are going to do is just look at the code. Now we are going to move further. We were here. Now we will move further to this digit. So now how we are going to use, we will use the logic of ones, tens, hundred, that logic. So what is my sum? Finally we are going to store it in sum at some point of time. So sum plus, okay, now I extracted my last digit. I have to do cube also. So let's do cube. Digit into digit into digit. Right. So now we are going to do what? We are going to reduce our value of n, then extract, divide it by 10 by dividing it by 10. Now everything we got what we want, we got. Now we are going to compare it. If my new result is equal to my old one's original value or not. So for comparison, what we are going to use is if else. So here I'm going to use directly return. Right here my what is my final num? Here my final num. If my final num is equal to my sum, then return what? Yes. If it is not, then return me no. Right. Let's hope you understand this much. So now I'm going to see, I'm going to check any compilation error is there or not. Let's hope it's not. It will take some time. Right. So no compilation error is there. So I hope you understand till here. So I'm going to submit the code by clicking this button over here. Uh, it will take some time. Let's see how much test cases are getting passed. See here the wrong answer for multiple test cases. Why it is not happening? Because I think the extra space is there. Let's Now let's submit. I don't know why this is not happening. Yeah, right. Extra space is there. That's why. You cannot give extra space inside your string, right? If you give like this, then it will give you an error. So because of this, it is showing 2 second attempt. So I hope you understand till here, guys. And if you like my all my previous videos, just hit the like and subscribe button, and do share this video, guys. Do share this as much as possible. So we will meet in next video. Bye bye.